Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've just got a couple of completions to show you, and these were sent to me by the good people at DPCLUBS.com. This one, oh my goodness, I got this one last April, so I've had it nearly a year, but I have now completed it. I was a little bit late for last Easter, so I've completed it for this Easter, and it's these two gorgeous bunnies in this beautiful Easter basket with all the decorated eggs round here and all the daffodils. Not quite sure what the blue flowers are, but these are definitely daffodils here, all made up from gems, and a lovely bow, and then the blue all around the basket handle. Couldn't you just pick that up and take your little bunnies to wherever you're going? And then it does have a cover on the back, so this needs to now come off. Sorry if you don't like that sound, but I love that sound. Okay, just take those little bits off that I've missed there. Okay, it will need sealing before it goes away. So yeah, I tend to put things out for Easter and then they go away in my Easter box, which I've shown on camera not so long ago. So yeah, but it will need sealing before I do that, because I don't want the gems to get knocked or move. They will stay on, you know, if you're not touching it, but with the best will in the world, if you start putting things on top of it, or something shoves up against it, then the gems can eventually move. So yeah, but I love doing this one. It's such a happy picture with two little bunnies cuddling up. Look, we've got a little boy one possibly with its little blue scarf on, and a little girl one with a little pink bow. So sweet. And I love how these leaves have been done. All the vines on the leaves, look, in the two different colours. Is it variegated that you call that? Something like that anyway. So yeah, but absolutely gorgeous and so sparkly. It is actually one that goes in a stand, but I'm actually going to put this one on the wall because I think it's so pretty. Yeah, rather than having it stood up somewhere, because it's quite a sizable piece as well. It's not one that you're going to miss. It's big bunnies. Yeah, that is so sweet. I'm so pleased I got this one, even if it has sat waiting to be done for this Easter. The price of this one was £11.79 last April. There's 22 different colours, gems and colours, and it is a mixture of like special drills and just your standard acrylic drills. There's no gem cut numbers or DMC numbers on it, so this will just be sort of a generic kitting down, as it were. Out of here. Now it did all, yeah, the special drills did all come in little grip seal bags, so that's really handy because I can see there, look, that they're all ready to go in my gems. And then these will just go hot pink. Look at that, hot pink, in my donations pile, because yeah, these are just your standard gems. Okay, look, they've escaped out of the packet. I did have them all nicely in a packet, but yeah, there was an awful lot of, oh no, that's another special there, and that gorgeous yellow. So yeah, originally when I did start first diamond painting, I did used to colour match, but I don't do that anymore because I have got enough with DMC codes on, so I just donate any of my spare gems now, so that yeah, somebody else can make use of them if they need them. I didn't use the white. I have substituted all of the white colour, the B5200 colour. I've substituted that out for ABs, so I did add in, it's one of my things that I tend to do quite a lot these days, is add in extra sparkle, because I do like a little bit more sparkle. So yeah, I will show you all my Easter display once I've got it done. So that one will just go in my generic white jar that I have. Okay, so we've got those to put away. So that is Bunny. Okay, and then this one I did get last December, because I thought it would make quite a nice Christmas present, but sadly I didn't get it done in time to gift it. It is a little hand mirror, look. So yeah, oh, you can see all my other bits and pieces on my wall there, look. So yeah, it's just really, really pretty. It is all just crystal gems. Sadly, there's no crystal codes, so it will just be a donation for these as well. Again, I did used to colour match all my crystals, but I don't do that anymore. I've got a code card with all the numbers on, so I just keep ones that I have numbers for now, and yeah, it just keeps it a little bit more organised for me. But yes, it's got a hot pink butterfly, and it's just nice, you know, if you've got, say, an eyelash, or you've got something in your eye, or you just think, oh, what does my hair look like, you can just quickly whip your mirror out and have a look. But yeah, nice for a little dressing table or a little girl or anything like that. Just obviously be careful with it being a mirror. But yeah, and there's quite a little bit of weight to it as well. Not heavy, but yeah, you can feel that it's a nice chunky mirror, and it's a nice chunky plastic. So, you know, it's not going to bend or whatever. So yeah, and that one does need sealing as well. So yeah, a couple of lovely projects. Thank you, DP Clubs. I've enjoyed doing them, and I shall carry on enjoying having them because they're just such nice little things. So I'll just double check, but I do think that these were all generic crystals. I do sometimes miss the specials. Hot pink. Everything's hot pink. Oh, 2 hot pinks in this one. Wow. Yeah, they're just generic. So generic for donation. Okay, so I'll keep that packet. Actually, I'll put that one in there as well, so I don't lose it. And they will go into my logbook and their donation as well. So I'll pop those over there. Right, so there's just a few to put away this time. Okay, how this way. Oh, look at those snuggle bunnies. Oh, I do love my bunnies. See, it isn't just an obsession this year. I started a bunny obsession last year. So we've got orange, we've got blue, silver, blue, and gold. Okay. I've got to buy special shapes box. This is based on Rebecca at Mosec's storage system for gems, and it's all categorised into colour, and then I further categorise it into larger round, teardrops, marquees, and miscellaneous, which is stars, hearts, and anything just a little bit different. Okay, as I say, there's no gem numbers on any of these, sadly, so it will just be going by colour order. So my first colour in my box is silver. Now these are large rounds, but because they've got the little star stamped into them, I put those in miscellaneous because they're just that little bit different. So let's see if we've got some of these. I think we have, and I think they're probably the same size ones, but we'll double check. So we've got hearts, stars, snowflakes, ovals, larger rounds. Oh no, they're hearts. Look, they're little teeny tiny hearts on them. I thought they were rounds, but no, they are hearts. Rectangles. That's like a little squarish pattern stamped into the top of that one. That's like a flower, more stars, a square, more stars, and I think that's probably those, and more stars. Okay, so yeah, just to give you an idea of what I keep in miscellaneous. So yeah, they are definitely those, so I can pop those in there. Okay. So I hope everybody's well and that you're doing okay, and life is treating you as kindly as possible. Thank you for all your comments and everything. I do read them all, and I do try and reply to everybody. And yeah, I do think about you all if you're going through tough times. Okay, let's go on to gold now then. So we want gold large rounds. I've got a lot of these. I might have to separate these out into the sort of the gold coloured ones, which are the solid gold coloured ones. Oh, if there was solid gold. Wow. And then the different gold colours. So they're like a medium-ish, but they're in like a lemony gold. So let's have a look. These are all like honey gold, aren't they? That's like a real lemony colour, look. Maybe I should have those in yellow. Anyway, they can stay in here for now. No, they're actually miscellaneous, look. They've got like little facets around the edges, so I'm going to put those in miscellaneous. Yeah, I change my mind as I'm going along doing these. I do sometimes spot different things. Are they those? They could be those, or they might be a slightly different colour. Oh, I think they're more likely those. Yeah, I think they're more likely those, because that looks more of that colour. They're a more orangey colour. Or it could be those. So I'll double check those two. That's another big gold one there. So yeah, these are just all the different ones that I have. And they're a slightly different size. Okay. Right, gold is definitely one of the popular ones. It's such a good colour to just highlight things with, I think. So let's have a look at these. Do you know, actually, I think those two are exactly the same colour. And I've just got them in two different bags. Yes, they are. So they are actually those. So I've got a condensed down bag. That's good. Sometimes if I've not quite picked all of them up, or one's got stuck to the back of something, I don't see that it's the same colour. So anyway, I can get these in here now. Yay! Okay, so that's another empty bag, and that's a push empty bag there. So they can go in large rounds. Oh, and I want these putting away as well, don't I? Don't want to miss those, otherwise I'll completely confuse myself. And that's not difficult to do. Oh yeah, and I was putting those in miscellaneous, wasn't I? Because yeah, not realised when I've kitted it down, they've got like little edges to them. Very pretty. Okay, so teardrops, gold, miscellaneous. Okay, so that's those. Right, so our next colour then is blue. Let's do orange first, and then, because we've got quite a few blues to do. Okay, and I know we've definitely got these, because these are the first pictures that I did of owls all had these as the owl claws. So they'll always be owl claws to me, but they're like a teardrop with an iridescent coating on in orange. And I know I've got a lot of them. So teardrops in orange, and yay, look at all this bag full of these that I've got. But I don't actually have a number on them yet, so I'll have to wait until I get some with a gem code on them. Okay, so that's those two put away there. Right, that's another bag with a number on. And then we have large rounds, marquees and teardrops. So we only needed a miscellaneous, and then we had all of the blues. So we want blue large rounds. Okay. Oops, stay there, stay there. So we're looking for like a turquoisey blue. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah, I think at some point I may have to separate them out, because I'm just getting so many. They're getting difficult to hold, to be fair. So I'm looking for that size. Oh, that one's got folded up, look, you see. When you start getting too many, they start folding up on themselves. Oh, this one could be a new one. It's nowhere near that colour, Liz. Right, let me just pop these away so I don't drop them all. And just a few more to go. Have we got... No, that's a pale blue. Oh, it could be those. Oh, yes, we have got it. Yay! So we don't need a new bag. We have got that one. Okay, so they can all join their friends. Oh, now then, is that colour or not? Yes, it is. It's just the way the light's hitting it. It's very dark and dull today, and it is now raining. It was lovely and warm this morning. It was sort of drizzling a little bit. There was it was sort of drizzling a bit this morning. It wasn't very nice. But it was warm, and it was quite a nice spring day. But now it's coming quite chilly, and yeah, we've got quite heavy rain coming down now, just for a change. So yeah, it's supposed to be first day of spring today. Yeah. Right, so now we want the teardrops. So let's have a look at teardrops. Have I just put those in marquees? No, I mean green there, Liz. I want to be, it's marquees next after large rounds. I was just thinking I've got those in the wrong order. What have I done? So let's have a look at blue marquees. So we want, oh, it could be those. That's about that size. These are all small ones. Ooh, glittery ones. And I think they're too small. Yeah, they're a smaller one. So same colour, but a smaller one. So I do believe we have the right one. Yay! Okay, so they can go into there with their friends. Okay, yep. Put them back in the right place, Liz. And then finally we want teardrops. So let's have a look. Teardrops in blue. Blue teardrops. And they have got an iridescent coating, so, and they're quite large ones as well. Ooh, oh, look at those. I love those. Oh, wow. That size, but ones with facets on. So, could they be those? I think they just might be. And I get a lot of those as well, which are the ones that have no facets on. Like that turquoisey blue colour. Okay, so put those back into teardrops. And let's double check. Yep, same size, same colour. Excellent. Yay! Ah, back in teardrops. Right, pop these away. And then I just need to put these into my white jar. Okay, these are just old pasta jars that I've got, pasta sauce jars. And I have one with black, one with white, and one with crystals in. Okay, so they can go in there. So I don't think I'm ever going to run out of white gems. Okay. Right, well, just a very quick kitting down and project review. Love doing them. No problems with gems or anything, just so pretty. So this one will now be going down into my bony corner. And this one will be going into my little pile for things to be sealed and then used. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions, comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. And I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.